That you decided to download our ClickUp CEO Systems bundle. So this tutorial is going to teach you all about how to download these templates and get them set up in your ClickUp. If you have never worked in ClickUp before, you can watch a video here before you get started to learn a little bit more about ClickUp. But this tutorial will walk you through how to install all these templates. So here are the spaces that I suggest you add for the templates that you just purchased. Feel free to make your own, but these are just the ones that I have within my ClickUp space. So how to add a space is you go into ClickUp, you can go to add a space, call it whatever you want. Let's say you're going to set up your marketing one. I'm going to call this marketing 2, and you can change the color, you can change the icon, whatever you want it to be. Make sure it's in your workspace. You can skip past this. These statuses are going to come with your templates. All of this is great. You can leave that on. And here, this is important. So I have made a note, all templates, you should have the list, the board, and the calendar checked on. The only ones that are a little bit different are the project manager. You're going to want to turn on the Gantt chart, and the team business hub, you're going to want to turn on the box. So these 3 for all templates, and then I did make note on the PDF, Gantt chart, and box. So just keep note of that, otherwise you will miss that part of the template. So for marketing, all you need is these 3. I'm going to go to review space and create space. So once you go through and create all of these spaces, you are going to go into your PDF. And I'm going to do the marketing one since I just downloaded for that space. So we're going to click on that. It's going to open up a new window within ClickUp, and it's going to say you want it to go into your workspace. You can call the folder whatever you want. I call mine Editorial Calendar, and we're going to select the space as Marketing 2. Press Use Template. And sometimes it takes a second, but it should bump you right back into your workspace with the template in Marketing 2. So here you are, you have all of your views here. It defaulted to the list. You can go to these 3 dots and turn on default for everyone, or default to me. That means that's like your tasks. I like to keep that one off for Editorial Calendar, but I do like to default the view for everyone. So when you click on Editorial Calendar, it's automatically going to look like this and go to the calendar. The other thing that you need to do just before getting started using this template is go into the list. It's easier to do it here, and just go through and delete my examples that I added during your tutorial video on how to use this template. So you just go through and press the trash can, and you are ready to go. So go ahead and go watch the tutorial videos for each of these templates to see how I use them specifically, but that is how you install all of them. Again, don't forget to take note of the Gantt chart for the project manager and the box for the business operations hub. But other than that, you should be good to go to get all of your templates installed in your ClickUp and get started getting organized.